Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, on one of the pages you will find the Do Not Disturb toggle. For me it is visible on the first page right over here. Once you see yours, first time around I recommend holding this, as this quickly takes you to the settings. And here you can go over the options that we have access to, customize them to fit your needs, and then you can close this and you don't actually ever have to come back here. Now, I am going to touch upon a couple of the options that I find more important. So first one would be schedule, and here you can select a fully automatic schedule, which allows you to choose the day of the week and start and end time. Now, if you're planning to use any kind of schedule that you created or edited, or just one that come pre-made, just make sure you toggle it on in here, and the device will do everything else for you, which means that it will basically run from Monday to Sunday from 10 p.m. till 7 a.m., at least this one that I have selected right now. Going back, we have direction for quick settings, and this defines what will happen when you press on the toggle manually. Now by default it is chosen the until you turn off option, and what that means is when you enable it, it just runs indefinitely in the background till you remember to turn it off yourself. And if you're similar to me and tend to forget this kind of things, then there's a better option, which is the timed one. Now it says for 1 hour, but we can obviously make it something like, for instance, 3 hours. I find 3 hours to be basically long enough to cover everything that I need it for, plus just maybe a little bit of time extra. And with that being said, once it's set up like so, whenever I toggle it on, it will enable itself for the specified amount of time, 3 hours. So right now when I enabled it, it will turn itself off at 5:40, so 3 hours from now. But if I remember about it and I'm done needing it before that timer runs out, I can just find the toggle, tap on it once more, and this will turn it off. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.